Please don't.
Well, okay. I decided I am emo. Therefore, I will be killing myself now.
Hayden, please don't.
Goodbye, world.
No!
Hayden! I'm kidding! He killed himself for us! He saved his life! Or risked his life.
No, Casey, you'll seriously die. Casey, Hayden's a professional jumper.
Actually, I weigh more than Hayden. That means I go down faster.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You're gonna break your leg.
Yeah.
That's how much I love doing it.
Casey, you're gonna hurt yourself. You don't want to be out for soccer, do you?